Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of updating your profile name in the Band app. Whether you've joined a new group or simply wish to correct a spelling error, we'll show you how to make this change quickly. First, open the Band app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the profile icon. Then, at the bottom right, tap on Small Settings icon. Then, select My Profile to access your personal profile settings. After that, tap on Manage Profile to make changes to your profile details. Now click on your profile name to enter the editing mode. Next, click on Set Profile. This is the option that enables you to update your name. After that, enter a new name in the name field. Make sure it is exactly how you want it to appear to others. Finally, click on Save at the top right corner. Your new profile name will now be updated and visible across the app. Changing your profile name in the Band app is simple when you follow these steps. Now you can keep your account updated with your preferred name. Thanks for watching, and make sure to try it out.